Picture this. You're sitting quirk. It was pure genius born of necessity. In an era before electricity, this open corridor allowed cool air to flow naturally through the entire house. During hot summer months when temperatures climbed into the 90s and hundreds, that constant airflow was the difference between a comfortable home and an unbearable sweatbox. It was sustainable, energy-efficient design before anyone knew what those terms meant. Fast forward to today, and this timeless design has been completely modernized. When you pair the brilliant dog trot concept with the barndominium trend, which is absolutely exploding right now, you get something remarkable. A home that's affordable, durable, and dripping with character. For those new to barndominiums, let me break it down. Barndominiums, or barndos, are hybrid structures combining metal barn frameworks with fully livable, modern interiors. They use cost-effective materials like steel frames, metal siding, and wood accents to create homes that are quick to build, extremely low maintenance, and visually striking in ways traditional homes can't match. The beauty of combining these concepts is you get the best of everything. Efficiency, affordability, durability, and a home that turns heads every time someone pulls up to your property point. One of the most distinctive features is that central breezeway. Imagine driving up to the property for the first time. You see a beautiful, modern barn-style home. But then you notice something unique. The structure looks split down the middle, with two distinct sections perfectly connected by a gorgeous covered outdoor space in the center. It's striking. It's unusual. It's unforgettable. This breezeway is incredibly versatile. Keep it completely open to maximize natural airflow, or partially enclose it with glass panels or screens for protection from weather and bugs. This space becomes the heart of your home. Picture morning coffee as the sun rises, the fresh air gently waking you up. Imagine hosting outdoor dinners with friends and family, conversation flowing as freely as the breeze, all while protected from rain or harsh sun. Transform it into a reading nook, play area for kids, or even a home gym where you breathe fresh air instead of recycled gym air. Here's what's coming. Later, we're diving deep into specific floor plans that work beautifully, interior design tips that maximize style without breaking the bank, and real examples of Dog Trot Barndominiums built for under $200,000, some as low as $150,000. Keep watching, because these solutions could make your dream home a reality. Most affordable Dog Trot Barndominiums maintain a clean, rectangular footprint. This isn't just aesthetic, it's practical. Rectangular structures are simpler to build, require less complex engineering, and use materials efficiently, translating directly into cost savings. The two main sections often mirror each other, creating beautiful, balanced symmetry. Roofs are typically gable or shed style, extending over the breezeway to provide crucial shelter. Many homeowners opt for metal roofing for excellent reasons. It's cost-effective, lasts 40 to 60 years with minimal maintenance, and fits perfectly with the barn-inspired aesthetic. Roof colors dramatically change your home's vibe. Go neutral with grays or earth tones for understated looks blending with landscape. Or go bold with deep reds, forest greens, or blues to make a statement that says, "This is my home, and I'm proud of it." Metal siding is popular for affordability, durability, and low maintenance, occasional cleaning, and basically nothing else. No painting every few years, no rot, no constant repairs. But here's where you get creative. Combine practical metal siding with wood or stone accents. Add reclaimed wood feature walls near entrances, stone pillars flanking the breezeway, or wood trim around windows. These accents break up visual uniformity and introduce warmth that makes a house feel like a home. Large, energy-efficient windows are essential. They flood spaces with natural light, reducing electricity costs. They offer beautiful views of your property. And modern energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings help maintain temperature year-round, keeping you comfortable while keeping bills reasonable. The Dogtrot layout offers remarkable energy efficiency advantages. That central breezeway channels wind through the home, creating cross-ventilation that dramatically reduces air conditioning needs during spring, fall, and mild summer days. Imagine turning off your AC and letting nature cool for free. That's money back in your pocket monthly. In colder climates, you have options. Insulated metal siding provides excellent temperature control. Double or triple glazed windows minimize heat loss while letting in light. Many homeowners install sliding barn doors or retractable glass panels in the breezeway. During warm months, these stay open. During winter, they close, effectively separating the house sections and preventing heat loss. It's adaptable design at its finest. Floor plan ideas are where you shape how your home functions for your lifestyle. One popular configuration divides by public versus private spaces. One side houses living room, kitchen, and dining, spaces where you entertain and gather. The other contains bedrooms and bathrooms, your private sanctuary. The breezeway acts as a natural divider, creating subtle separation without long hallways or complicated layouts. Modern variations include lofts above one or both sections. These serve many purposes: home office for remote work, craft studio, reading nook, guest bedroom, or home gym. The lofted ceiling below makes main rooms feel larger, while the loft provides valuable square footage without increasing your footprint. Lower construction costs. Interior design should balance functionality and durability without sacrificing style. Polished concrete floors are remarkably low cost, incredibly easy to maintain, nearly indestructible, and look fantastic. They fit the modern industrial aesthetic while providing excellent thermal mass, helping regulate temperature naturally. If concrete feels too industrial, luxury vinyl plank flooring looks incredibly realistic but costs a fraction of hardwood and requires virtually no maintenance. It's comfortable underfoot and comes in endless styles. For walls, shiplap or reclaimed wood accents add warmth without covering every surface in expensive materials. Create one stunning accent wall in the living room using reclaimed barn wood, instantly adding texture and visual interest. These strategic wood uses soften metal and concrete elements, creating that perfect modern rustic blend. Kitchen design is crucial. Modular cabinetry offers surprisingly good quality at affordable prices. With right hardware and finishes, they look far more expensive than they are. Open shelving can replace some upper cabinets, reducing costs while creating trendy, open feels that energy-efficient appliances pay for themselves through reduced utility bills. Prioritize what matters most. Maybe invest in a nice range if you love cooking, but opt for a budget-friendly refrigerator. Built-in storage in bedrooms maximizes space by utilizing walls and corners that might otherwise go unused. Lighting creates ambience and functionality. In the breezeway, simple string lights or rustic lanterns create warm, welcoming atmosphere. Inside, maximize natural light with large windows and supplement with thoughtful fixtures. Skylights flood rooms with beautiful light while making spaces feel open to the sky. Sustainability is easier than you think. Solar panels on that large metal roof can cover significant energy needs. Yes, There's upfront cost, but federal tax credits, state incentives, and ongoing savings mean they often pay for themselves within 10 to 15 years. Rainwater harvesting systems supply water for landscaping. Using local or recycled building materials reduces costs and environmental impact. Outdoor living is where the Dog Trot Barndominium truly shines. That breezeway acts as a natural home extension, blurring lines between indoor and outdoor living beautifully. This isn't just extra space, it's premium living space you'll use constantly, costing far less than enclosed square footage. Furnish your breezeway with comfortable outdoor furniture, cozy sectional, dining table, maybe a porch swing. Add outdoor rugs, string lights, ceiling fan. You've created an incredible semi-outdoor living room. Protected from rain and harsh sun, but connected to nature, breathing fresh air, hearing birds, feeling the breeze, best of both worlds. Simple landscaping with native plants enhances curb appeal without excessive maintenance or water. Native plants thrive with minimal intervention, don't need special fertilizers, resist local pests, and look perfectly at home. Gravel paths are affordable and attractive. Low-maintenance shrubs provide year-round structure. Property placement is crucial. Consider prevailing winds when orienting your home. Align that breezeway to catch refreshing breezes. Think about sun movement throughout day and seasons. Consider views from main spaces. What do you want to see daily? Affordability comes from smart choices throughout. The structure itself is visually distinctive. Clean lines, dramatic breezeway, barn-inspired aesthetic, so you don't need costly ornamentation. Simple, thoughtful design with quality materials creates timeless homes retaining value for decades. Faster construction reduces labor costs significantly. Where traditional homes take 12 to 18 months, barndominiums can be move-in ready in 6 to 9 months. That means less construction loan interest, less rent paid elsewhere while waiting, and less opportunity for budget overruns. Real-life examples prove this works. One Texas family built an 1,800 square foot home with metal siding and reclaimed wood accents for under $175,000. An Oklahoma couple incorporated a loft guest suite, totaling around $190,000 for about 2,000 square feet. Avoid common mistakes. Don't overcomplicate the breezeway. Keep it simple. Don't neglect insulation attempting to save money. It pays for itself through reduced energy bills. Avoid materials requiring high maintenance just because they look nice initially. Choose durable, low-maintenance materials that look great years from now. Final touches transform a house into your home. Choose furniture complementing the rustic-modern aesthetic, comfortable, durable pieces with clean lines and natural materials. Mix textures intentionally. Smooth leather with rough wood, soft textiles with hard metal. Select decor reflecting your personality. In the breezeway, add comfortable seating, plants, simple lighting, maybe statement pieces reflecting your style. In conclusion, the affordable Dog Trot Barndominium is a remarkable option for homeowners seeking historical wisdom, modern practicality, and contemporary style. That unique central breezeway, the efficient, flexible layout, the durable, low-maintenance materials, the customizable design, all creating a home that's cost-effective and full of character. Whether building on rural property or in semi-urban areas, this style offers incredible comfort, impressive energy efficiency, and seamless outdoor connection, enhancing daily life. And achieving all this for under $200,000? That's the real magic. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please smash that like button. It helps us reach more people seeking affordable housing solutions. Subscribe so you don't miss future videos exploring innovative home designs. And comment below telling us which part of the Dog Trot Barndominium you'd most love in your own home. The breezeway? The loft? The sustainable features? We read every comment and would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.